Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how to make YouTube thumbnail for in Canva application. So let's start the video. Firstly, we'll have to open it, Canva, and how you can make attractive YouTube thumbnail for beginners. I'll be telling you about this. So firstly, this kind of interface, the first time if you open it, this kind of interface will show you. First, you will have to create a design and you will have to search what you are just making here. You can make it banner, thumbnail, anything. So you will have to search here. Just search it YouTube thumbnail, and automatically everything will be selected, and the page will come for YouTube thumbnail, right? So this page came automatically. So what kind of your thumbnail you are making? There's some kind of thumbnails uh, ideas they have given, templates they have given, background, so you can use it if you want. Otherwise you can upload. Let me start with them. If I'm making travel blogging uh, YouTube thumbnail, so just click on that blog and see how many blogging ideas, blogging, backgrounds, automatically popped up. So you can click anything like that. Let me see, show you. Just I clicked this one. If I want this kind of blogging uh, pamphlet, so you can use it. You can use it anything like this kind of this is also I liked it. I deleted this one. I'd like to make it, and you can just add it anything. Like you can edit it, like if I put it here, my channel name, so you can just click it and you can add it like how to travel cheap. You can add it any name like American tourist. Any name you can write it and you will be able to do it. Anything. If you wanna remove the pictures and if you wanna add your pictures, you will be able to do it. Just click on this picture and click delete. It got deleted. And if you wanna import some pictures, just click on file, import files, click on that, and wherever you have saved the picture, just click on that. Like I wanna put this picture. Whatever picture you will import, it will show here in uploads, right? So click on that. It is getting uploaded. Now it got updated. Uploads, here it will show whatever picture you will download, you will import. It will show here in uploads. So it got came. So I clicked on that, and this picture came in. I will have to arrange this. You can put it your picture if you want, right? Let's see. It got updated. You can do a small and as per your convenience. You can do it a small, big, whatever kind of you wanna do it. You can arrange according to your convenience. Just put it. You can put it to your pictures also, right? You can write it anything by using text. If I wanna write here something, like here I wanna write something, my name or subscribe or anything. Just put it. Just click on text, add a heading, subheading, or anything. Suppose I'm putting heading. Just click on that. Oh, sorry. Click on text, and this pop-up will come, and write it anything like suppose I'm writing like uh, let me put it up, then you will be able to understand it. Let me change the color from here. Click on A, button and change it. You can search it color name also. Like I searched it yellow. I'm gonna write in yellow. So whatever I will write, it will be showing in yellow. Like England, England. I put it, and you can arrange it by using this. You can write anything you want, right? You can add any shape like here. If you want any shape, any kind of shape, this is using for subscribe button. So click on that, and you can just write it down. Subscribe. You can add it anything like you want. Suppose I'm writing something on that, and let me subscribe. I put it subscribe and just arrange it according to your convenience. So any kind of images and shapes you wanna add, you can use it elements, and you can use it any shape you want. Like I like this shape, so I put it here. You can small and big according to yourself, and you can put it anywhere you want. Suppose if I use here, anywhere you can use it. Otherwise, you can delete it by clicking right click on delete. So any suppose I don't want this and I wanna use the phrase uh, thumbnail. So click on next this button plus button and search it YouTube thumbnail. Click on that, and this new pop-up will come. The new page came, right? And I will show you one by one how you can make YouTube thumbnail by using this new page. So firstly, you will have to change the background color. So here is the last one. Just check out background, and you can add any background. Otherwise, you can add any colors of background by using this. There will be some background also. See how good this background is. So by clicking on background, you can change the background color, right? Then you can add any pictures if you want. If you want to import any pictures of yours and any friends and whatever you want to put it, just click on file, import files, click on choose file, and any picture wherever you have saved, you can just use it, your pictures. And suppose I want to make it this picture, I want to import. So let's, now it got updated. I will click it, I will just drop down, and I can use this picture in my YouTube thumbnail. You can do it big and small. So see how easy this is to import the picture in your for your YouTube thumbnail. If you wanna write something here, just click on text, click on add a heading. You can write it anything you want, like how to travel cheap in India. You can click on that, and you can increase this text, increase or decrease by using your convenience. If you want to change this text color, just click on A button on change the color whatever you want as per your convenience. I did it red, it will be red. Otherwise, just search here any color you want, like if I want aqua blue, so just aqua blue came, and just I change it. See how easy it is, right? If you want to add some shapes or anything, just use this uh, option elements, and you can use anything like any shapes if you want to add it. you will be able to add it, right? Let me import for you this flower. I guess looking good, so I will click on that, and this flower came just here. You can use it if you want. You can small and big according to your convenience. You can use it anywhere if you want, right? Any shapes you want, like this shape I want, you can just click on that and this shape will come. You can add it. You can do it a small, big, according to your convenience. You can add it anywhere if you want. You can change the color of shapes also. Just click on shapes and click on edit image and change the color of the shapes. Like I want this aqua, just came aqua, and you can write it anything you want on this shape. So this was all. I hope you liked it. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.